Well, hello, hello. This is Rosa RCG Creations. How are you doing? I'm bringing to you. Okay, make sure I'm in frame. I am. We're gonna be making. This is summertime. End of May, almost June, and it's over 100 degrees here in Texas. We're gonna be making some sherbet. You use sweetened condensed milk. I'm glad I got a mop top. And I want to use some of my pressure canned fruit, and I'm using my fruit cocktail. This is any fruit, any type of fruit. Strawberry, mango, pineapple, peaches, whatever fruit you want. You could do it fresh, you could do it frozen, or like me, I'm doing pressure canned. Just using what I have. Okay, so let me get my can open. Okay. That's good. I'm just looking at the can, see how old it is. It was in my pantry. Oh, it didn't pop or swell. Whoops. So I know it's still good. That's some good stuff. Okay, so now we're going to add, you can add, on the average, is about 4 cups of fruit. And this has been draining for quite some time. Now, let me just pour this in. Okay, let's do that out of the way. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna do a small batch to see if we like it, because I've got 2 more dozen of cans, pressure can fruit that I want to hurry up and get rid of to use space for that pantry for something else. We are not much of fruit, canned fruit, even store-bought cans of fruit. We do more fresh fruit, so we eat it as we buy it. But with the store prices, we may be changing our mind on stuff like that. Okay, so now we're going to add, and you want to add a half of the can, which is a 16 to 24 ounce can. This one is 14 ounces, so it's going to be a little bit small, but I think I'm okay, because the more of the milk that you use, the sweeter the sherbet is. Let me get all the little dribblers out of there. I just have to lick the can, you know. That is sweet. Okay, let's get our top on. I'm plugged in. Power. This is going to be a little noisy. And you want it to be soft, but have some depth. And if you know what sherbet looks like, it's kind of like yogurt, but it's sweet yogurt. It's like ice cream yogurt. Let's do the taste test. Oh man, that's good. But I definitely need to blend it some more. But I kind of like the chunks of fruit in there. I'll let hubby do a taste after me. So let me show you. Just move this out of the way. We are practically done. Couldn't get any easier than that. But I wanted to show you the texture. See that? So you can blend it some more. But I'm going to be honest with you, I kind of like the chunks. And I like chunks in my ice cream, Sherbert. Hubby, I don't know. We'll ask him when I come to him. So let's put this in the container. Move this out of the way. And I'm going to save this because I think I'm going to make some more. Didn't even fill that container up. I do have some smaller ones. Man, that's some good stuff. So, anyway, I'm going to make some more because I didn't even fill it up. And I'll bring you back when we do the official taste test with it frozen. And the consistency is supposed to be for sherbet. So we'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to show you. Disregard the pinto beans, that's not on there. But this is when I canned these jars of fruit cocktail. This is what we're using, fruit cocktail. We'll be back. Okay, we are back for the taste test. Okay. It looks like sherbet. It could be a little bit firm, but I took it out longer than I expected to do this taste test. So I think it could get a little bit more frozen. Yeah, like here's a chunk right here. Whoop. So I think it needs a little bit more freezing time, but let's do a taste test right quick. Because the biggest thing is, does it taste like sherbet? You can definitely taste the sweetened condensed milk. So it tastes more like that than it does sherbet. So it's an okay treat. I give it a sideways thumb, not no up, not no down, because it is sweet. And I think I only had it in here 2.5 hours. I think if I do it overnight, it'll be thicker like regular frozen sherbet does. Because it is sweet. You can definitely taste the fruit cocktail. Actually, as I mix it up, I don't taste the sweetened condensed milk anymore. So, as of right now, I say it's still a sideways thumbs up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.